What's up guys, Ali here from Solid Trades. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import all your trades for the day into Tradervue. Guys, if you're not using Tradervue, I highly recommend. It's a great trading journal. Once you import all your trades for the day or for the month or for the week, it spits out the stats and tells you what you're doing wrong, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, so you can actually focus on your strengths and work on your weaknesses and then actually trade even better. So it's a great tool. I highly recommend. So that being said, let's just go into it. So once you register for your Tradervue, the first thing you do is you go to your Thinkorswim, okay, and then you go to account statement, and then make sure that your day is selected for today. Or if you want to go for the whole month or for the whole week, if you want to import the trades, you can do that as well. For me, just for one day for me. Once I do that, you simply click here and you hit export file. Okay, once you hit export file, it will pop up and you can just simply rename to whatever you want. Okay, and then you hit save. Once you hit save, you go into Tradervue and then you click import trades. You hit import trades, and then the first thing you do is you go to import from broker. You want to make sure your broker is selected. Mine is Thinkorswim, and I'm showing you for Thinkorswim, so you want to do Thinkorswim or whatever broker you have. Then the next is the time zone. You want to make sure the time zone or whatever you are in is correct, because that's how it knows how to show your trades at exactly what time, because it tells you, hey, what times you're good at trading. So if you're trading at 10 o'clock and if you take trades during 10 o'clock, it will tell you, hey, you know what, you're making money at 10 but you're losing money at 11. It's a great software, by the way. So then make sure you have your local time zone correct. Once you do that, you simply hit browse and then you hit export. You select the file that you imported and then you hit import. Very simple, just like any other import export file, right? Once you do that, then all you do is you go to dashboard. You go to dashboard right here. Okay, and then once you hit dashboard, you see right here. So what it is that it basically tells you, hey, you know what, how was your P&L, the day it went, the trades you took, right? And then once you hit reports view, you can hit detailed and it will tell you, hey, you know what, this is the best part that I like. Basically it tells you how much money you made on the day, your average winning trade, your average losing trade, okay, the number of trades you took. So for me, for example, it really helped was before, when I was losing money, I noticed that my average hold time was bigger than my average winning time. So basically I was holding my losers way longer and I was selling my winners way earlier. So I actually worked on it, and I worked on holding my losers, like getting rid of my losers and holding my winners longer. And because of that, my P&L completely turned around. And because of that, my average winning trade turned out to be bigger, and then my average losing trade turned out to be smaller, because I was cutting my losers quick and I was letting my winners run. So that really helped. Other cool things are days and time. It tells you, hey, you know what time of the day you were really doing well or really doing bad. Also it tells you your price volume. You can look at your win-loss, how much I was right, how much I was wrong. I was only right about 56% of the time, but because my average winning trade was bigger, I still ended up green on the day. So these are the things that you really want to see, what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, and Tradervue is the best software in my opinion to go and trade. The other thing that what I want to talk about is, if you go into here and if you look at in your dashboard, okay, click the dashboard and then go into, let's say you want to look at your trade and see how you did in a particular trade. You can actually go down. It will give you chart and it will exactly tell you, hey, where you entered, where you took profits. So this was one of my trades today where I took this wedge pattern, and actually tells me, hey, where I entered. And now when I look at it, I'm like, you know what, I could have held this a little longer. Should not have taken my profits here. Should have let it ride a little more, right? And actually can work on my trade and see where I entered and where I did wrong. So stuff like that, it's very helpful. So make sure you check out Tradervue. I'll put the link down below. All right guys, take care, bye.